lot of work on the outside today. Concrete's being placed everywhere. The decks, the walkways, all the hardscapes. Let's have a closer look. We have architectural grade concrete spec for this job. And I want to show you a couple of features we have here. First of all, note the walkway and see the lines that have been put in there. The lines have been put in there for a couple of reasons. One is for aesthetics. So each section is equivalent in size. And secondly, a reason why the lines put along the edge like this, following the length of the deck, that's to identify the most common areas where a concrete would crack. Have a look at where he's troweling it now. It runs right parallel with this foundation wall. Could you tell us, Tom, a bit more detail about this?
Well, you cut it similar to a chocolate bar so that we can control where the slab breaks.
Okay, so if I had a section like right here break, I can limit it to this line and not have to replace the entire area. Is that right? Okay, that makes sense. Chocolate bar analogy. There you go. One more feature I want to show you for this house is, note from the side of the house all the way down the walkway towards the front, there's no steps. Now, the owner of this house wanted to age in place, so in the event they want to use a wheelchair to access the back of the front house, there are no steps to overcome. The wheelchair just rolls nice and smoothly to the front and actually all the way to the front property line. And with this slope, water will travel and it will not pond anywhere in the back, and it'll all accumulate towards the front. So now that the concrete had some time to cure, he's troweling the surface to give us a nice finished look. So if you ever wonder how the finish is accomplished, it's all by nice, big swirl motions. This is the front yard of the house. Notice the walkway is nice and big. So big that I guess I'm stuck here tonight. I can't get out, so maybe we'll shoot the next episode tomorrow morning when the concrete's hard enough to walk out.